You're a fucking disappointment.
Hello, you cinephiles. Welcome back to Filmy Esala. Today I will be doing a full review for the much awaited sequel to the 2021 hit series Squid Game, which is currently streaming on Netflix. So, is this series binge worthy like the first season? Here is my honest take on season 2. Squid Game is directed by Hwang Dong-hyuk. The story of second season is quite straightforward. The protagonist of season 1, who was also the winner of games in season 1, his name is Ji Hoon, which is played by Lee Jung Ji. He is living a quiet and alone life, even after winning so much amount in season 1. As he was the sole survivor in that season, his sole aim in life is now to put an end to these brutal games. He assembles a group of men along with arms and ammunitions just to find a way back to the island so that he can put an end to these games. He somehow gets sucked back into this game. In this season, we are introduced to certain new players like a rapper, a Bitcoin advisor, even a transgender. Some of these characters are funny, some are annoying, and some pure evil. But they are interesting in some way or the other. So it's time we first discuss all the positives about this show. The acting by our main protagonist Ji Hoon is quite convincing. There is a total shift in his character. We remember him as a scared and timid player from season 1. Here, he is a total badass. He is quite convincing in his character. Another actor I would like to give a shout out is Park Sung Hoon. He is a male playing the character of Cho Hunju. He looks convincing as a transgender woman. Even the body language is convincing. I personally think that the writing of characters is far better in this season compared to season 1. The writing has more depth here. Now, this is a guilty pleasure. There is definitely much more violence here. There is bloodshed. Starting even from the very first episode, like a violent game they play. It is called Russian roulette. But they go all out in the finale episode of this season. It's bloody violent in the last episode. Now let me talk about the negatives. The screenplay of this season is not fast paced, unlike the first season. The pacing could have been much fast. The pacing makes it tedious sometimes. You will get distracted many times. Although during the games, the pacing is far better. It takes too much time here for character building and building of the plot. Another main issue I find with this show, compared to the first season, although the games are more brutal here, there are only total of 3 games in this particular season. Among these 3 games, 2 are entirely new games, but the very first game we have already watched in season 1 called Red Light Green Light. So naturally, the element of surprise is missing, which made this game a surprise element in the first season. There is too much gap between the games. And when it finally takes place, it lasts for too long, making it somewhat repetitive. Although the sets are jumbo here, still something is missing. During the second game, even when people are dying, the players look so calm and comfortable, they are just laughing away. It can't be true, right? In life and death situation. Another factor which I find funny, like how a normal person without any proper training is able to fire an assault rifle with so much ease and precision. Like in the very first attempt, this show has its movements, but it's scattered in bits and pieces. This season ends in a cliffhanger, so I hope the third season will be much more entertaining. So now, can you watch this show with your family? The answer is no. There are certain strong words, abuses, curses, plus lots of violence and blood. I would rate this show 3 stars. It has its moments, but too less and too late. To be honest, I was planning to keep a thumbnail twice the season, twice the fun. A typical YouTuber thinking, even before watching this show. But now I have to change my thumbnail. So that's a wrap from my side. It will be very kind of you to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep getting